Another day, another smoothie video, and I want to talk about why I drink these every morning. I was a coffee girl for years to the point that I could not start my day without having a cup. So as you can assume, without it, I had caffeine withdrawal, headaches, bad attitudes, everything that you can name. It was just honestly too much and there was no benefits that it was serving me. But when I'm working, I really need something to sip on. So I'm like, let me make a smoothie. And ever since then, I don't have brain fog, the bloating, the stomach aches are gone. And I just really see a difference of how my body is digesting food. I am cutting back on my sugary smoothies, but all in all, I feel like this change in my diet is doing me very well.